So hi there, this is something really cool that I built. It was inspired by me receiving my lightsabers, which I've always been dreamed of having since 9 years old. And I just thought, why can't I just build an AI tool that can help you craft the story with you as the superhero that you have always imagined in your childhood? And this is what I have. And following this, there will be a quick demo of how this thing works in its entirety. It looks super cool. First, you input a basic general topic for the AI to get started with your idea. And next, it will come up with a bunch of questions that help you design a character and also build a world step by step through the process. And then it will generate a paragraph description for your character and also a paragraph to describe your world. And after you're satisfied with your character and your world, click done, and then the AI will generate your full story, including with 2 illustrations and also a real world reflection that ties it down to reality. And also an awesome BGM, cause why not? So while you are reading your story, you can listen to the background music and then you can fully immerse in the world that you are crafting. So here is my agentic workflow. So most of the agents are Google Gemini and they are text-based and process information to each other. So first we have the user input, and based on the input, we pass it into Google Gemini to detect the topic and main direction of the story. And then the output of the story detector, including the user's first initial description of the story, also passes into another Google Gemini agent, which develops around 8 to 10 questions for character designing and world building, which is presented on the second page. And then the user's answers to the character design and world building is passed into another agents that each generate a paragraph about the character and the world. And these characters are then further passed into a story crafting agent that takes both the character output and the world description and puts them together into a 1,000 word story. And finally, we have Google Gemini generating a background image and also have it generate a prompt and then pass the prompt into the image generation AI to generate a hero action scene and a background. And also I implemented 11 labs to generate a background music for it. And finally, there is a real-life reflection that is based on the story and will suggest some real-world inspiration for the person who came up with the hero story. Finally, a huge thanks to GitHub Copilot, who remained loyal and faithful to me throughout the entire project. I really want to highlight that I think AI can never replace genuine human creativity. So that's why this project is to remind us of the hero that we had always dreamed of being, and to make you the center of the adventure. To always have the heart of a child and never be afraid to imagine. I hope you enjoy what I made, and thank you.